Is your Word document looking a little Euro squished? Let's transform it from a wall of text to a beautifully readable masterpiece by adjusting the line spacing. First, open the Word document you'd like to format now. Select the text you want to adjust. You can select a single paragraph, multiple paragraphs, or the entire document by pressing Ctrl or LA or Command L on a Mac. Next, on the Home tab, find the paragraph section. Look for the line and paragraph spacing icon, which looks like a small arrow pointing up and another pointing down with lines next to them. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several preset line spacing options: 10, 115, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Simply choose the spacing you prefer. As you hover over each option, you'll see a live preview of how it will look in your document. For more precise control, select line spacing options at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This opens a paragraph settings window. In the line spacing section, you can choose from options like single, 15 lines, double, at least, exactly, and multiple. If you choose exactly or multiple, you can specify the exact spacing in the field to the right. Play around with different values to find the perfect fit for your document. Once you're satisfied with the line spacing, click OK, and that's it. Your document now has increased line spacing, improving readability and visual appeal. Experiment with different settings to achieve the perfect look for your work.